Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on activating dark mode on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Dark mode is easier on the eyes and most people think it looks better. Here is how to enable dark mode on an iPad. Open the Settings app. In Settings, tap Display and Brightness. In the Appearance section, select Dark Mode. You can also set up Automatic Dark Mode, which will switch between light and dark mode depending on the time of day. Or you can set a custom schedule. Dark mode is now activated on your iPad. This will also change many of your apps to dark mode as well. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.